I don't know how this will sound until later, unfortunately, until post. Even though I brought headphones and shit with me just in case.
Sounds like shit.
And it may. I don't know. You know what we're listening to right now? Uber driver.
Lo-fi hip-hop beats.
NCS?
I don't fucking know what you just said.
You don't know it? Never mind.
The car's not too sketchy.
Battery's secure.
And make sure you're running like all 5 lug nuts. Legit people do scratch and shit.
Sounds like it. My bad.
That was a new shot too.
You got a full send or half send?
I'm gonna try to full send. First lap, I'm just gonna drive it. And then after that, I'm just gonna hit the gas and see what happens.
Bug it.
Yeah. That was fucking tight.
That's pretty good. That wasn't bad.
For not doing any driving for like, well, barely any driving for 2 years, that was like, I'm fucking
I
shaking.
didn't say you can't even stop smiling.
Oh my god, dude. The car already got hot though.
Oh, did it
It
really?
got up to 207, so
Oh shit.
I'm gonna let it cool down a little, and then and that smoke is just from, that's brand new heat wrap.
Yeah.
So but yeah, I'm gonna put some
Dude,
of that
did you
50-50 in it.
Okay, I thought that was a zip tie on the top. I was gonna say, did you do that shit again?
A plastic suit.
Yeah.
When I was taking the old one off, it's funny because there's
Yeah,
just like
so it's just
little
melted.
burns, like tiger stripes. No, I learned my lesson on that one. Oh, that was lit though. Did you get some on video?
Oh yeah. Here.
I'll have video coverage for the first time in fucking years. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
because we got an invite this
Sweet.
time.
Now, whenever I fucking break the car, it's cool because there's like at least a video of when it looked alright from 20 feet.